Being a farmer's wife, I love being able to take pictures anywhere around on my land. It's just nice being able to get it all right here in my backyard. I feel like our house is super cozy, and that's one of the things I wanted. I've always appreciated good photography, and I feel like I could always pick it out, like even before I knew anything about it. And I realized like I could probably make some extra money myself being a stay-at-home mom. Damon got me my first camera, and he got it for me because he got it for free from buying so much seed or chemical. Drew, she's got her back handsprings down and she's working on tucks. Drake wants to be an OSU wrestler now. And then he is gonna farm. I love the view. Our view is like my favorite part. I don't have to travel out to find a spot to take pictures just because of all the scenery. You can let people see what you want them to see, really. Like I started it off as just my photography. Now I just post whatever I want. I just post photography, I post my kids, myself, outfits. I love it, and I'm so glad we went this route.